Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best foldable camper mattresses on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the 4-inch memory foam trifold mattress Lazy Easy. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Lazy Easy 4-inch memory foam trifold mattress offers both comfort and convenience. This mattress features a 4-inch thick memory foam layer that conforms to your body, providing supportive and restful sleep. Its trifold design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for guests or travel. The breathable cover enhances airflow to keep you cool throughout the night, and it is also washable for easy maintenance. Whether used for a temporary sleeping arrangement or as an extra layer of comfort, the Lazy Easy mattress combines practicality with comfort in a compact and portable design. Number 2 is the Evenko Folding Mattress. The Evenko Folding Mattress is a practical solution for versatile sleeping arrangements. Its folding design allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for guest rooms, travel, or small spaces. The mattress features a breathable cover that promotes airflow and helps keep you comfortable throughout the night. The non-slip bottom ensures stability on various surfaces, reducing movement during sleep. With its compact size when folded in comfortable foam construction, the Evenko Folding Mattress provides a convenient and comfortable sleeping option wherever you need it. And to finish, the first position goes to the 4-inch trifold memory foam mattress Roxo. The Roxo 4-inch trifold memory foam mattress is a versatile and convenient option for extra comfort. It features a 4-inch layer of memory foam that provides a supportive and cushioned sleeping surface, adapting to your body shape for enhanced comfort. The trifold design allows the mattress to be easily folded and stored, making it perfect for small spaces, guest rooms, or travel. The breathable cover ensures good airflow, helping to regulate temperature and keep you cool throughout the night. Additionally, the mattress is foldable, allowing for quick and easy setup when needed. Whether you need an extra bed for guests or a portable sleeping solution, the Roxo mattress combines comfort with practicality in a compact design. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 foldable camper mattresses that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.